Hi, good day everyone. My name is Edgarson Pagdanganan Hovero, or you can call me EG Boy, a fourth-year Bachelor of Science in Information Technology student at University of Santo Tomas, and I am applying as a project management intern. And here is my Pecha Kucha video. So about me, my personality type, I am a ESTJ/A or executive. That means I am more into paperworks and overall management of a project. And a 69% grit means that I am a long-term achiever. I am the president and executive director of Tomasian Gaming Society as well. So why did I choose BSIT? I choose BSIT because I am very passionate about the fast emerging and evolving technologies. And at the same time, why did I choose to be a IT project management intern? Because I like to organize events and event projects. So why SIP? So I admire how SIP values growth and creativity, providing a space where ideas is nurtured, and SIP has a positive impact when it comes to interns. Joining your team as a project management intern would allow me to contribute my skills while learning from a company that leads with purpose and innovation. So why should SIP accept my internship application? So because I bring a unique blend of technical expertise, proven leadership, and a passion for managing projects that deliver real impact. My experience as a student leader, managing multiple organizations, and driving policy development has trained my ability to collaborate, communicate, coordinate, and effectively in dynamic environments. So, for my educational background, I started going to school at Notre Dame of Greater Manila from Kinder 1 up until grade 12. Now in my college days, I'm in University of Santo Tomas from 2021 up until now. So outside of my academics and leadership, I find balance to through my hobbies, which is playing the piano, allows me to express creativity, and on the other hand, gaming is the way that I relieve stress from academics and make a bonding with my friends. So here is my tech stack. So I learned some of these in school like Java, C Sharp, and PHP, but majority of this tech stack is self-taught like TypeScript, Tailwind. This is because I mostly use the self-taught languages and frameworks to develop our major projects. So here is my organizations slash leadership involvements. First is Tomasian Gaming Society. So I am the president of this org for 2 consecutive years now. So this organization serves as a gaming community inside University of Santo Tomas. So we host events like gaming tournaments, what career can you pursue in gaming, so how can games help your mental health, etc. So next is student organization, student council. So in this organization, I serve the position as the board of director for College of Information and Computing Sciences. So my task here is to inform all organization of the college important announcements about latest news and happening inside the university. So next is director for policy development for ICA Student Council. So in our local student council, I create executive orders for the whole council to enhance laws and overall improve the system of our student council. So next is executive coordinator to the president for CINAG, or the official Cisco organization for College of Information and Computing Sciences. So my position here is I am the right hand of the president when it comes to different tasks that is given to me. So lastly is executive coordinator to the secretary for Pax Romana CICS. So my main task here is to create captions when a publication material is about to be posted and help the secretary in paperwork of the organization. So here are the 5 projects that I lead, or I am the project head for this school year. First is Gamer's Guide, which is finding a career through gaming. So next is Recruitment R101. This is a event for recruiting new members. So next is Pixels, which is positive effects of gaming in our mental health seminar. So next is TGS XTNK. Shinsekai, which is bringing Japanese and gaming culture to UST. And lastly, Bayanihan Cup 2024, a charity tournament. So all the registration fees of teams will be donated to charity. So here is our software engineering project. So my role here is a quality assurance. So this project is used to track volunteers for Tiger Media Network events. So this is developed using TypeScript and Next.js. Next is our capstone project for Office for Student Affairs for University of Santo Tomas. So my role here is a developer. This is a asset slash events management system developed using React, Express, and PostgreSQL. So here are some of the pictures of my certifications and achievements. So I am a Dean's Lister from 2021 up to May 2024. So I have a several Cisco certifications, which include IT Essential and CCNA V7 certifications. So here is my favorite quote. So the first responsibility of a leader is to define reality. The last is to say thank you. In between the leader is a servant by Max Depre. So these quotes reflects on me because our success in our organization, it's not all about the leader, but the members of the organizations are truly behind the success of the execution of the events. So here are my contact information if you want to connect with me. So that's all for my Pecha Kucha video. Thank you.